Okay, roll number 20. Am I audible? Pascal, am I audible? You have any network issue? I already completed presentation with Kelvin. Okay, you only you remaining. So whenever I will start your lecture, so first is your turn. So ready with your presentation. Okay. Okay, where is other students? In computer branch, there are only two students are there, and only two students from chemical. Okay, Pascal, start your presentation. Will we start our lectures? Pascal, start your presentation. Otherwise, I will put 0 marks in this component. If you can't appear this presentation, you didn't give that presentation, so I will put 0 marks in assignment 3. Assignment 3 have 10 marks. Okay. Okay, ready with your presentation, Pascal? Yes or no? Give me your answer. So I will go ahead for practical. This is not appropriate answer. Okay, madam. What? Okay, madam. Okay, if you have a presentation with you, your presentation is ready, so mail me on my mail ID. I will share your slide. And what about okay? And what about practical file? Everyone send it your practical file. Only few students are sending me your practical file. That is one student Kelvin, roll number 10, and 107. Okay, both students already send it. Other students are remaining. So what about status regarding practical file? The last date of practical file submitted before 30 January. Only 4 days remaining. Okay, roll number 9. Are you ready for presentation? Roll number 9. Okay, wait for a few minutes. I will share you your presentation. And Pascal, what about your status? Roll number 20. This is the last chance for you. Okay, my slide is visible or not? Rule number 9 is visible.
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay, wait. Okay, start.
Okay, as you see there, the introduction to keyboard shortcut.
Okay, some correction in that slide. I will tell you in first slide you have to write the title of your presentation, and another thing is prepared by whom. Okay, so prepared by
Okay,
you and your roll number. So you have to write here prepared by your name, then roll number. Okay,
okay.
okay, then next.
The next, the next is basics of shortcuts, of shortcuts.
Yes.
As we see there, as we see that the window, we place one open the setting app, and another you press K, open the connect wireless display and with audio device. And we see there is arrow, lock the device and go to the lock screen. And we have also M, switch the desktop and minimize all open windows. Also we have T, cycle through the app on the taskbar. So this one the some of the best of how we get a shortcut of keyboard.
Okay, sometimes some changes are arrived because all pieces have not fixed key. Okay, somehow we have to press function key. You see your keyboard. There were one key in left side, second or third column, last part. Function key FN. You see your keyboard.
Yes.
Okay, there were some functions key are there. Okay, so sometimes we have to also press window if I have to open the settings app. So sometimes we have to press windows plus that function key plus I. Okay, that depends
Okay.
on your laptop setting. Okay.
Okay. Okay, madam.
Okay, next. Okay, there will be
And
one
last,
here. The font type will be changed, and another slide have also changed. Both you have to set both, each and every slide have same font type and font size. Okay. Then justify
okay.
alignments also required. Okay, start.
Okay, we also have another basics whereby we have a window. You place up arrow. This is for maximize the active window vertical and horizontally. And we also have the another arrow. This is for down arrow. This is for restore or minimize the active the window. And if you want to shift to maximize the active window in vertical, you press shift plus up arrow, whereby you can get the maximize the active window vertically and maintain the current width. And another window is shift the shift plus down arrow, restore or the minimize active window vertically, maintain the current width. So when you want to make another shortcut, you can use shift plus down arrow, whereby it can help you to restore the minimize of active window vertically, maintaining the current width.
Okay, then next.
And another one is window for you. You can you can place U for load the access of the as center, and then you can place X, open the advice menu in the lower, so you can left corner of the screen. And another one is enter, launch narrator. Another is U tap in the keyboard. You can see there is a tab open for task view. And if you want to zoom in, you can use a plus or minus.
Okay,
And
if
there is this
I
one.
want to zoom in, so we have to press Windows plus sign. And if we want to zoom out, so Windows plus minus sign. Okay,
Yes,
zoom in and zoom out.
yeah.
Okay, next.
Another one is left arrow. You use the left arrow for dock the active, whereby the window to the left half of the monitor. And we have another the right arrow, the same thing, but this one for the right arrow is for active window to the right half of the monitor. Next, this is for shifting plus shift plus left arrow, whereby you can use two. You place you this is shift plus left arrow with the match pose of monitor. Move the active window to the monitor of the left. And another one is shift plus arrow with the match pose of monitor. Move the active window to the monitor on the right. So if the monitor is in yours, you press both sides. You can either use the left or you can either use the right one. And print the screen. When you want to print a screen, you take a picture of the screen and place it in the computer. Where you
Okay, one
can use,
important point here. We
yes,
have to use that last point, Windows plus print screen. You know what are the use of this key? I already tell you in the first lecture in CFS how you can take a screenshot. Okay,
yes,
so how you can take a screenshot if you want to screenshot for this slide? So press Windows plus print screen. So your screen will be uh, converted into picture form. Okay, there will be a
okay,
different,
madam.
that picture will be stored in different folder which will be set by your PC or desktop. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay. Then this ppt, okay, one announcement, this ppt is most important for you, all of you have, all students have very helpful this presentation, because whenever you are going to work on pc, so sometimes mouse will be not working, so you have to press key from keyboard. So it is the most important part of your education or job, whatever. Okay, then continue.
So as you see there, we have a table, shortcut keys and it's their functions. When you want to stimulate right click on the selected item, you place shift plus F10, wherever you can click the selected item. And another one there is this one, arc plus type. This is for quiz switches from one open application to another open application. And we have control plus arc plus delete. This is for
Control plus alter plus delete.
yes.
Okay.
This is for opens the Windows Task Manager, manager and boost your computer.
Okay.
And we also have this one, another basics, Alt plus Shift plus Tab. This is for switch backward between open application. So if you want to backwards to return back your application, you tap the shortcut way. You use Alt plus Shift plus Tab. And this one, there is another one, Alt plus X switches between application of taskbar. So if you want to go to another application, you use another shortcut for task. And you have this one, enter open properties windows of select icon or program. You use Arc.
Different software have a different key for different use. With all the keys for only ms word, if you are switching to another software, so that software have another specific key. If you have a ms word, right, so we have to copy our content. For copy content we have control plus c key, right? But we are switching to one software, that is a turbo c. If you are computer student, so next semester, in second semester, we are going to learn C language. Okay, in that language we have another software, that is turbo c, right? So in turbo c we have to copy the content, so there were another key, that is a f2 key. But in ms word we have to copy the content, that have another key, that is control c, right? So the keyboard shortcut key depends on software. Okay, are you
Okay.
understand?
Okay.
Okay, continue.
Here we have in Microsoft Word the shortcut. There is Shift plus F4, find the next match, and there is Control plus E, center of paragraph. There's Control plus J, justify the paragraph, and there's this Control left. This is around the paragraph. There's Control M, this independent the paragraph from the left. Then there is Control Q, removing the paragraph formatting, and there is Control R, where you can place R, write the paragraph, and there is Control T, this create the handing index, and then another one, you use the Control plus Shift plus T, This is for reduce the handing index, and there is Act plus F1. This is for create an auto text entry, and there is Act plus F7. Find the next spelling or grammatic errors. So if you see that you have a problem in grammar, you just press those shortcuts where you press Act plus 7, you find there's spelling grammatic errors, and then there is Act plus 7 plus F9, switch between all the file codes and their results. So if you want to see the file, or to switch off the file and see the result, you use the Act plus F9. And there is another one in Microsoft Word, the shortcut. You press Act plus F10. This is for maximize the program window. So if you want to maximize the program window, you use Act plus F9 to maximize the program window. And there's Control plus D. This is for change the formatting of characters. So if you want to see how it is look like the characters, you use the shortcut from the keyboard, Control plus D. And the lastly part one, there is this control apply the subclap formatting. How to formatting the Microsoft. And this one, Control plus Shift plus A. This is for formatting letters as all capital. So if you want to see, or if you want to change your letters as all capitals, you use the Control plus Shift plus A.
Okay. Okay. The last point is a format letters as all capitals. Okay. We have to also use for format pointer. Both have same use. If you have to uh, change from keyboard, so we have to click Control plus Shift plus A. Otherwise, we can also change that letters through format pointer. You know how we can use for format pointer. We already learned in practical number 3 or 4. Okay.
Okay.
The next.
And then the next is, we've seen that we have our
All
own
of you are
keyboard.
seeing what is a keyboard, how that looks like. Okay. Okay. Good.
Thank you.
Your presentation topic is very good, and this is a
Thank
very
you.
helpful for all student, and also me, not only students. For okay, some
Thank
2
you,
to 3
Madam.
yes, what?
I say thank you.
Okay, welcome. Rule number 9, right? Okay, then how many students are remaining for presentation? All of you are completed your presentation? Yes or no? No. So what about your presentation? When you give me your presentation, if you have ready your presentation, so mail me. I will share you your slide. Okay. Okay. When you send me, right now you send me your presentation, Pascal. Okay, send me. Whenever you send it, so remind me. So I will check my mail. And again, I remind you, all of you. Okay, you send me on WhatsApp. You send me on my mail ID. Okay, right. 56, rule number 56, your presentation was completed. No need to give me again. Okay. And what about your practical file? Everyone working on practical file? Yes or no? I already uploaded all the practical 1 to 12, except for practical number 7 in e-content. So if you have any type of query or doubt, so you can check your e-content, and I already uploaded that all the practicals for your reference purpose. Okay. Okay, Pascal, send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Okay, wait. Not this type. You have to send me your practical file, not pictures. Okay. If you total 1 to 12 practical are there, but 7 practical you didn't have to perform it. Okay. So total practical will be 11. And Pascal, you have to send me your PPT, not that pictures. Okay, how you can send your PPT? So first of all, you have to click on your PPT. Then after one option available are there, share option. Click on that share option.
Okay, madam, I will send it to you.
Okay. Okay, Pascal, do it fast. We have only 20 minutes. Okay, practical number 5. Roy, wait. I will see what was the practical number 5. Okay, in practical number 5, you have to make one table. Prepare one table. Okay, in practical number 5, you have to prepare one table regarding sales analysis. I already sent it that reference file in e-content. Check it your reference file. There were practical number 5 and 6 both are combined practical. Okay, see your e-content in portal. Still you can't understand, so again tell me. Okay, Pascal, are you ready?
Not yet, madam. Give me some time. I'm trying here to send them to you. I've already
Okay, okay,
converted them and sending.
okay. Okay, how you can prepare a file. I will right now I will share you one file for demo purpose. Wait. Okay, right now I will share you how you can prepare a practical file. Okay, this Philemon, this last 4 days you have to submit your practical file. So why are you not asking me? In all the lecture, I will tell you. Anyone have any type of doubt? Please tell me. Why are you not tell me? Okay, still you can see here. I will share you one file. How you can prepare a file. So first page will be your name and roll number. Then after you can see. I will scroll down slowly. Okay, what about your practical one? So how what are the steps you have to follow for practical one? So practical one are there. Then different steps and different screenshot. And that practical list is also available in your e-content. Okay, if your practical one is completed, you can see here practical 2. Now understand, Philemon? 107. Now understand how you can prepare your practical file. Yes or no? Okay, see. First, I will scroll that file. That is a practical 2. There will be a different steps for perform a different task. Okay, after practical number 2 completed, then after practical number 3, you can see you have to prepare a letter for about your university. So that will be a practical number 3. And then after some functionality you have to add in that practical. Okay, so practical number 3 is this. Then after practical number 4, you have to create a newsletter. There will be a 2 columns. The first page have different from another 2 pages. In practical number 4, you have to prepare a 3 pages newsletter. In pages, you have to change your 1 page from another 2 page. Okay, there will be a practical number 4. Then after practical number 5, in practical number 5 you have to okay, Ro, you have a doubt regarding practical number 5, right?
Yes, madam.
Yeah, okay, so you can see here. What about your practical number 5? So in practical number 5, you have to prepare a table in MS Word. Okay. Then after we have to prepare one table. Then after how many rows and column we have to add in our table. After putting our rows and column, then okay. So our table will be prepared. Then after we have to add our content, different content. Okay, in our practical number 5 we take data regarding grocery, vegetables and fruit, and then after we add a column in 2015 to 2019, 5 year data. Okay, now clear? Okay, Ro, your doubt was clear? Okay, the next is practical number 6. In practical number 6, we have to perform some printing for functionality. Okay, so we completed the practical with our practical number 5. Okay, there are some different printing option available. So how you can uh, write that steps. Okay, there will be a printing option available are there. How many copies you have to get. Then after practical number 8, in practical number 8, you have to prepare one Excel sheet. In Excel sheet you have to add some functional for some formula like that sum, average and pass and fail grade system and percentage. Okay, the formula are there, and what are the table you can create. So you have to take a screenshot and put it in here. Okay, then after practical number 9, in practical number 9 have some different format and functional you have to apply. So there are the different steps for different function. Then after practical number 10, in practical number 10 you have to prepare a chart using this table. Okay, so what about the formula for a chart? So there are the formula for chart, and how you can how the chart is see to so here the different chart available here. Then after practical number 11, in practical number 11 you have to prepare a master slide. So if you click on master slide, so there are the different format available are there. Then after practical number 12, in practical number 12 you have to prepare one presentation. In that presentation we have the different function in add in our ppt. So animation are there, so we can see here the star symbol available in this screenshot. Okay, now clear? Everyone have to clear how you can prepare a practical file. Okay, so keep it on that practical file, work on that practical file. And Pascal, what about your presentation? If you can't send me right now, so send me in 2 days before our next lecture. Okay, we will start your presentation. Yes, the practical file is deadline. Last date is 30 January 30. And I will share you a Google Form link. In that Google Form link, you have to submit your practical file. Okay. 13 January. I will send it on message. Okay, everyone write down your roll number in chat box. Why? Oh, you have 5 days. Still, you have to get more 5 days. Okay, so you give me the deadline. Okay, I will set for you. I will set for you students which date you have to send it. Send me your practical file. Okay, discuss first discuss and then after tell me right now. But in regular student, I strictly follow the deadline 30 January. But only international student we I adjust the deadline. Okay, 5th February, right? Everyone comfortable? For 5th February, you have to 5th, no 10th, 5 days for this week, and another 5 days I will add in that date. Okay, so 5th February. Okay, the final date is 5th February. Okay, then after I will not change my deadline. Okay, everyone write down your roll number in chat box. In today's lecture, we will complete it up to this. Okay, roll number 9 is present. Then 55 is present. Sorry, 56 is present. And 107. Roll number 10. 55 is present. Yes, 55 is present. Then after 57 not present, 12 not present, 18 not, 20 present. Okay, now you can leave.